For this experiment, you're going to need 2 identical glass jars. Fill one with oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And fill the other with water. Then dye the water blue. The last material you'll need is a flat card. I've covered mine with tin foil. To start, take your flat card and cover your jar with olive oil. Make sure none of it gets out as you flip it over. Place it over the jar of water and slide out your card. You can see that the olive oil has risen to the top and it's not mixing with the water. You must be wondering, why didn't the oil and water mix? An important characteristic of water, being polar, comes into play here. A water molecule is made up of 2 hydrogens covalently bonded to 1 oxygen. Since oxygen atoms have 6 valence electrons, while hydrogen atoms have only 1, the oxygen atoms in water are more electronegative than the hydrogen and the electrons are pulled towards the oxygen. The oxygen end of a water molecule becomes more negatively charged, and the hydrogen sides become more positively charged, making water polar. The saying, like dissolves like, teaches that polar liquids dissolve other polar liquids because they are similar. In contrast, oil is a non-polar substance, so it does not mix well with water. This is also known as being immiscible, meaning that the water and oil could not form a homogeneous mixture. The forces of attraction between water molecules was greater than the forces of attraction between oil and water molecules. That is why the oil and water didn't mix. Now that we've explained that, let's move on to the next part of our experiment. We're going to repeat what we did earlier, except instead of putting the oil on top of the water, put the water on top of the oil. So I'm going to use the card and then flip it over again. Hopefully don't spill like me. And then take it over. And you can see again, the water is not mixing with the oil and the oil is rising to the top. The reason the oil rose to the top is because of density. Oil is denser than water because its molecules are larger, so they cannot be packed as tightly together compared to water molecules. This is why the water sunk to the bottom and the oil came to the top. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned a little bit more about oil and water today. Bye!